National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Livingston County, Kentucky, central Marshall County, Kentucky, northeastern Graves County, Kentucky, Lyon County, Kentucky, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:39 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Benton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Benton around 9:45 p.m. At Evil around 10:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Catawba, Grand Rivers, and Brewers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 34 and 53. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 31 and 50, and between mile markers 68 and 73. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,